Firstly, I would like to reaffirm my ongoing thanks to all police officers, staff, healthcare workers, local authorities and other partners who are working around the clock to help tackle this coronavirus. Their commitment to public service is commendable. I would also like to thank the businesses and residents that have donated PPE to Gwent Police. If you wish to donate, you can email sean.prothero@gwent.pnn.police.uk. Currently, Gwent Police have healthy stocks of PPE to keep officers and staff safe. Officers have discretion about when and where to use PPE equipment, and non-public facing staff have been encouraged to work from home wherever possible, in line with government advice. We all know that these are difficult times, and I would like to reassure all residents that we are working to do everything that we can to help slow the spread of the virus and protect the most vulnerable in our society.